कैसा भाव लोग बराबर ने आ गया आपका दोस्त क्या बंदार भोपड़े फ्रॉम मुंबई महाराष्ट्र। ठीक है, आमची महाराष्ट्र मुर्गा पर ऐसा भारत का भी मुर्गा। ठीक, हाँ ऐसा वो डिफ्रेंशिएट नहीं करने का, मैं पूरा भारत का है लेकिन हाँ रहता मुंबई में अपना। आमची मुंबई बहुत प्यारी, अभी कुछ दिन पहले धो गया था लेकिन अभी सूख गया। ठीक है, आ सकते हो। हाँ, कोरोना का वक्त खत्म हो तो आना। अभी मूवी देखो घर में बैठ के, अगर काम ना हो तो, या फिर काम हो भी तो एंटरटेनमेंट करने के लिए ऐसा मूवी देख सकता है तुम लोग। ठीक है, और ऐसा 4-5 मिनट का वक्त निकले तो अपना वीडियो देख लेने का और सब्सक्राइब कर लेने का, शेयर कर लेने का। पहले ही बोल दे रहे, आखिर में नहीं बोलेगा मैं। ठीक है, वो अभी तुम लोग को मालूम पड़ा रहेगा। अच्छा, तो एक ऐसा वेब सीरीज़ देखा अपन जिसका नाम है अवरोध। तुम लोग को मालूम रहेगा उरी में अटैक वटैक हो गया, अपने जवान लोगों को सबसे पहले तो सल्यूट। और जवान लोगों का ऐसा अटैक वटैक हो गया उनके ऊपर। ठीक है, तो उसी के ऊपर ये सीरीज़ बनी है। इससे पहले एक मूवी बनी थी उरी, मूवी थी, ज़्यादा डिटेल में नहीं बता पाया, हालांकि भूमि बहुत अच्छी थी। सीरीज़ अच्छा यार, ठीक है, तुम लोग को तो इज्जत नाम का कोई चीज़ है नहीं, है ना। जहाँ स्टार देख ले, घूमने चले गए, अरे भैया रियल स्टार अपने आर्मी वाले हैं। पैर दो उनके, किसान है, पैर चुमो उनके। अरे हाँ भाऊ, वीडियो आगे देखने का, रिव्यू है अवरोध सीरीज़ का, देख। ठीक है, अब पहले ही बता दिया, आखिर में नहीं आएगा, अपने को बहुत काम हुआ मैं। ठीक, so this Independence Day, the patriotic gems in me started jumping off, so I wanted to watch this extremely patriotic web series Avrod on Sony Live platform, starring Amit Sad, Darshan Kumar, Neeraj Kabi, Madhuri Methuli, and Anil George. So here's my review of the series. I've divided it into what's good and what's bad according to me, so that you can decide for yourself to watch. The bad. Unessential subplots. So this series was marked by few uninteresting or unessential subplots which were not required of. I think any of the subplots surrounding Madhurima Dill's character and Mir's character were unrequired and should not have included in the screenplay, because they unintentionally increased the length of the series, otherwise which it would have been a great or more edgier. Pace is another complaint from this series, because at most of the points you feel that it's very much slowed down in the screenplay itself, and then you feel uninterested. But they manage it properly at the next scene, you would say. But somehow the pace affected greatly, and it is painful to watch. It's a huge mark on editing to have been more edgier, then it would have been a great finished product. But although that, the pace and unessential subplots could have been cut and it would have been made more grippy. The good background music. The background music was much edgy, that provided goosebumps while you watch this series and its intensive plots. I loved the background music. It was very, very goosebump. The movie is marred by a lot of facts, which is great, because I've checked it with all the journals available around this case, and all the facts have been well properly described and showed in the series, and at the same time providing all the technical details that audience need to know and need to watch, would love to watch. It was shown very properly represented. I loved this part. Clever writing. The writing of this series was much marked by excellence, because it was written in such a way that what was required to watch by the audience was showed properly, and not any goosebards here or there. I just loved its screenplay in a kind of writing. The cinematography of the series was something to look upon. It was very much captive and descriptive. You would know that the dark sequences need to be dark, and it was shown with proper lighting. The chase sequences, the action sequences, and especially the sequences, including the strike, was the best part of this movie in terms of cinematography. Have a look at this view of Kashmir Valley. I was fallen in love with this. The respect for this army was greatly, immensely addressed in this series. I loved all the scenes, including anything that respected the professionals. I mean, performance of this series. I was kind of blown by some of the actors and entirety. The performance was great. I hope. Other is Major Pradeep Singh, who was a real life hero. He portrayed his character perfectly in the real life. I was hooked to his performance. I loved his performance. He played this hard hitting major, very intelligent, very cautious. I loved his performance. He's a star of this series. Krishnan Kumar as Major Ronak Gautam played greatly the victim, outraged Major who fought this attack and stole this surgical strike perfectly on the screen. Kavi was the storyteller in this series. He played the NSS Silas Malviya. He portrayed every emotion of the personnel on the screen perfectly, and we know he played a very famous role. I just loved his performance. He's something to watch out. Anil George played this villain as Abu Hafiz, the mastermind of terrorists, and he was something he played in many of his works. He is known for his villainous characters. He justified his role.
जय श्रीनगर पर और हिज़्ब दिल्ली कैसे मुमकिन होगा ये?
Madhurima Tilly had a lot of responsibilities in her character. She portrayed it well, and you would know that this is not liked by many. She did her role.
उनको बोलो मुझे फायर कर दें.
Mir Sarwar as journalist Fakhruddin had less to do. He formed a journalist who lost his children. He fully lived his character. Vikram Gokhale as Prime Minister, you know what he played. He portrayed it perfectly. He didn't stupidize it. He was perfect. Anand Mahadevan as Defense Secretary Satish Mahadevan had very less to do. He had a great appearance. He portrayed it somehow good. He could have done more. Pawan Gulati's appearance was mere emotional. He had an appearance, very short appearance, some kind. He did justify it.
और दूसरी तरफ पाकिस्तान के साथ इकोनॉमिक कॉरिडोर में इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर बढ़ा रहे हैं और सार्क समिट से पहले एमनेस्टी रिपोर्ट रिलीज होने वाला है.